Okay, what's up? Welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to look at what exactly is the add property decorator inside of Python. So the add property decorator transforms methods into attribute-like accessors in Python, allowing you to access method return values without parentheses, and this creates a more intuitive API while preserving validation logic and enables controlled access to private data as implementation evolves. So how exactly do we use the add property in practice? So we'll look at a code block, but this circle class demonstrates add property creating attribute like access while protecting underlying data. So this circle is a read-only property example where you can try it out in your VS Code, try it out, type it out, let us know how it went. The best way to learn Python is by typing it out, so we don't make it available for copy and paste. So try it out in your VS Code, let us know how it worked in the comment section. And the add property decorator actually enables validation logic, computed values, and also implementation hiding. This actually allows code refactoring without breaking your public API. And properties help create maintainable, intuitive class interfaces while following good object-oriented design principles. So thank you for watching this video. Try out the code, let us know how it went for you, and then if you have some challenges, post in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video once again.